Well, Chris, this might take a while. Prosecutors and Trump's defense attorneys did not select anyone on this first day of the trial. Here's the bottom line of what happened. 500 people came in for jury duty this morning. The court split them up into groups. The first 96 potential jurors entered the courtroom, and half of them were dismissed early on because they said they could not be impartial, in this case at least. This is the so-called hush money case. Prosecutors accused Donald Trump of approving payment of $130,000 to a porn star. The money was allegedly to keep their sexual affair quiet when Trump was running for president in 2016. But the alleged crime, prosecutors say, is for falsifying business records, for allegedly hiding how that money was spent so no one would know what it was about. That porn star is Stormy Daniels. She lived in Rockwall just a few years ago. Jury selection in a high-profile case like this might take a few days, perhaps even a week, before we ever hear any testimony. But there's another thing to also keep an eye on as this trial gets underway. What will the judge do about Trump violating the gag order in this case? On social media over the weekend, Trump attacked witnesses in the case. A hearing is set for later this month to address that. But this trial is interrupting Trump's presidential campaign. That's kind of the wider picture here if you zoom out, and it might interrupt it for a while. Trump is required to be inside that Manhattan courtroom, meaning he cannot campaign or hold rallies during the week while the trial is going on. The thing to think about right now is what happens if Trump is convicted? What happens if he is acquitted? Chris, this really is the start of a political spectacle that this country has never before experienced.
Yeah, never seen anything like it. Thank you, Jason.